Hi, it's Chef Bruno from Rivea. I'm cooking from my home today. I'm gonna do a very easy dish, a potato gratin or gratin dauphinois, using very simple ingredients: potato, onion, bacon if you like it, milk, cream, and some cheese. Today, I'm gonna do a little dish for you, very easy, very simple. I've got some potato, some onion sliced. I've already sliced the potato. And we're gonna do a very easy dish, a gratin dauphinois, or whatever you want to call it, is a potato gratin. Very easy for tonight dinner. So first, we're gonna putting some milk in the pan and start to heat the milk. Okay. So, and very easy. There is no measurement for this recipe. Is whatever you have at home, you can feel free and do as you like. So I put some milk. I'm gonna add some cream, some whipping cream here. And really, if you're vegan, you can use almond milk, you can use whatever you have. So we're gonna put this. I'm gonna infuse like 2 cloves of garlic inside, just because I've got 2 only. But if you want more garlic, you put more garlic. And I'm gonna put a little bit of nutmeg. Okay? So there you go. Just to give a little flavor to it. Okay? Now we're gonna start preparing the dish. So I'm gonna put a little bit of butter in the bottom of the dish. Just voila, to keep it thin. If you wanna lay it down with your finger, just spread the butter. Okay, so as you can see, there is some bacon cooking right there. There you go. And you don't have to put bacon, but that's the only thing we have right now. So I think I hope it's gonna give a little bit of better flavor. All right. Perfect. That's perfect. So now we're gonna start laying down the potato in the plate. So you just do, you know, as you really want. You lay your potato, and we're gonna do a couple of layers. So I'm gonna use potato, cheese, onion. So the cheese, I found some Comté in my fridge. I have some cheddar, and I have a little bit of Parmesan. So that's what we're gonna do. So once again, it's really up to you, up to your taste. I'm gonna need a little help right now, Charlotte, if you wanna come and carry on putting some potatoes. Okay, you do a layer. Don't be shy, you can talk.
Hi, Chef. Hi, Mommy.
So this is cooking. Make sure you don't burn anything. And the milk is just, you know, to heat your milk and to accelerate a little bit the process. If you want, actually you can put your potato in the milk once again to accelerate the process, but let's be honest, we have all the time we want today. So that's good for the first layer, that's good. I'm gonna add a little salt on it. Okay, and then we're gonna add on a little onion, little layer of onion. There we go. And then we're gonna start. We have some Parmesan shredded here, and that's what I'm gonna put, you see. And then this, the bacon is ready. So I'm gonna use a spoon right there and take this. Burn the whole house. And there you go, you put some bacon. How does it smell, Charlotte?
Good.
Yeah? Good and yummy. Okay, so that's what we put. Alright, so, and after we're gonna carry on and laying some more potatoes. So you can help me, that way we're going quick.
There's a lot of potatoes.
There's a lot of potato. little shout out to all my friends, chefs, all over the company. Chef Christophe from Robuchon, Chef Sean, I know they're probably cooking at home. Chef Sean from Jean-Georges. Guys, hope you're keeping up. So now, we can put on this one, we're gonna shave a little bit. I've got some Comté, so that's what we're gonna do. You like the cheese? Yeah, so some Comté cheese. And once again, feel free to use whatever you have. So now we add the milk, we finish with the milk and cream. So we're gonna put this in the oven. Charlotte, can you open the oven for Daddy? There you go, so we put this. It's gonna be a good hour and a half, but you check, okay? See you later. All right, it's been about like an hour and a half, and I think, ooh la la, the smell of it, I think gratin is ready right there. So I'm gonna put it there to rest, and I think we're done.
That smells delicious.
Thank you. See you
That smells
soon.